how to achieve this video transition in Canva. On a clean page, go to Element, search for Product Podium. Now that you have this, begin to upload your images. For this, I am using 4 images. Now you're going to position and rotate each of these images. So for this, I'm rotating it minus 90 degrees. Rotate this as well to 90 degrees. Then the last one, we're also going to rotate to minus 180. Now add a circle at the center, just like this. I want to take this way back, so go to arrange, then place it to back. Make sure it is well aligned. Click Edit and begin to add drop shadows. Click on the circle, click color and make transparent. And we're going to group all 5 of them. So that's the circle and the 4 products. Group them, increase the size, and then place each on the podium. Let's delete this. So this product is going to sit on the podium like this. Make sure it's sitting well on it naturally. Put in all of your text, then the prices and all of those details. Then let's search for shadow under element. This is to add a bit of spice to the background. Let's see this one here. Use this one. I will delete this. Make this fill the screen. Then position it to back and then reduce the transparency. Now duplicate this page, rotate the image till the second image pops up. That's the second product. This is minus 90 degrees. Place it on the podium, change your text, repeat the same process, duplicate page, rotate it again. This time around minus 180. Place it on the podium, change the text. This is perfect for your Black Friday sale or any sale at all that you have. Instead of just using static images, this is one way you can spice it up. So we're going to rotate this 90 degrees, then switch up this text to the other end of it, just like this. Now let's put our landing slide, duplicate the page, delete all of this. Let's say shop now, and then put our, where do you want them to shop now? The website, right? So this is what we have. Then go to animate, and I want to use the typewriter effect for this. Then add one to this as well. Let's use the pan. Now click between the pages and add transition. I'm using the match and move transition. There are different options, but the match and move is the perfect one to use. You can choose to adjust the speed, which is the duration, but for this, I am leaving it at 0.5. Then click apply between all pages. This is what we have. You can see that it is taking too long, so let's reduce the duration. Click position, go to layers, click the background, and then adjust the timing. For this, I want to use 2.0. Then for the last page, I want to use another transition. Let's use the dissolve. Okay, this doesn't look bad. I think we should use the dissolve for this. So let's stick with dissolve for this transition, and let's play it. You can see this is faster than what we had before. Now, to add a transition sound, go to Elements and search for Whoosh Transition. Swipe to Audio. This is it. Drag it and drop it where you want it to be. So for this, I want it to be between the transitions. So I will drag it there. That is what you should do. Adjust it. Duplicate it and drag it in between the transitions. Just like this. I want to search for typing transition sound, which is like the typewriter sound. So that is used when we have the typewriter effect. So go on to audio. Drag it and drop it where you want it to be. So just adjust this. Once you are done, click share, then click download. You can drag it like this so the quality is increased, and then download it. And this is what you are going to have. Let me know if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Toodles!